Welcome back to Ella's Nutrition here on YouTube. So we'll go ahead to prepare the food which I listed its ingredients in my previous video, which is OGBONO soup. Yeah, so I'll go ahead to boil my kanda. If you have a pressure pot, it will be easier for you. I added fresh pepper to enable it to soften very well. That's my technique. So if you have a pressure pot, this is not for you. After for like 30 minutes, I introduce my stockfish because I like introducing my stockfish early so that it will soften. I like my stockfish bone very soft. I like it very soft. That's why I make sure I boil my stockfish early. I introduce it early while cooking. Assuming this bomo is not very hard, I will have added both of them together. So after much boiling for like 30 minutes, I added my beef, added seasoning cube, then salt, gave it a good mix so that it's going to be tasty. Cover to boil. After some time, I checked on it and it was tasty. I added my dried fish, which was properly washed. Then I introduced water. This is water I'm going to use in making my soup. We plenty for our house. We are like 10 in our house. My parents, my siblings, and few other persons. So I need a lot of water. So after that, I introduced my palm oil. I didn't put much because I'll be using some to melt my ogbono. Yeah, this is crayfish, scotch bonnet pepper, and okpei. Okpei is locust beans, the dried one. Yeah, the dried one. I pounded them. I did not blend. I pounded them instead. So after that, I added my seasoning cube. The total of seasoning cube I use in making this soup is 3. 3 not non-chicken, the normal not the chicken. I don't use non-chicken to make soup. Non-chicken is for stew, rice, you get. So yeah, so now I want to mix my ogbono. The reason for this is so that you avoid lump in your soup. If you do this, once you introduce your ogbono to the soup, it will just melt. It will melt on its own. Very nice. You will love it. You will also save yourself the stress of trying to use a spoon to do that. You get my point, right? So yeah, I went back to my stock, tested it in order to check if I need to adjust anything. It was good to go, so I introduced my ogbono. As you can see, yeah, I'm introducing my ogbono to the soup, after which I'm going to stir very well. Ogbono is tricky, so you need to be careful. If you're not using a non-stick pan, just like me, if you're not using a non-stick, if you're using this normal pot, so you have to be careful so it will not burn. You will turn the soup a number of times while making it. So I allow to boil because I like my ogbono to be prepared very well. My mom will say, yeah, let it not be looking at me. Let the seed not be looking at me. So I like to be very well prepared, you get. So I added my bomo because it was already boiled initially, so it's soft. I added my okra, gave it a good mix, added my bitter leaf. Our soup is almost ready. Are you excited? Yeah, I am excited because it is not easy to do this. It is not easy. Yeah, so yeah, we are done. This soup is so delicious at this point. I love ogbono. I literally scooped enough for myself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Mwah.